Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 26 by 2.125 tires is probably one of the most important components of your bicycle, significantly impacting your riding experience, and choosing the right ones can elevate your cycling adventures to a whole new level, ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and safe ride, whether you're tackling challenging terrains or cruising on paved roads. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect 26 by 2.125 tires for your needs and preferences. Number 5. MOHEGIA Cruiser Tire. These tires are perfect for your beach cruiser bike. They're designed for a smooth, comfortable ride on various surfaces. With sizes 26 by 2.125 inches and ETRTO 57 to 559 mm, it fits tire widths from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. It's a great replacement tire for your daily commute. The classic knobby treads give you great traction and control, whether you're riding on the beach or city streets. Enjoy a safe and confident ride. Its wide, smooth design minimizes road contact, making it easier to pedal and get going. You'll enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride. It features strong carbon steel beads for extra safety and durability. They're built to last. It's easy to fold and carry, making it convenient for transport and storage. Use it on either the front or rear wheel. Choose from white sidewall, brown sidewall, or black tread colors to match your bike style. Find the perfect look for your ride. Upgrade your bike with these high-quality, easy-to-use tires. Experience the difference today. What we like. It's foldable for easy carrying, comes in various colors to match your bike style, and offers great traction on different surfaces. If you need a convenient and stylish replacement tire with reliable grip, this is a great option for daily commutes or casual rides. What people say. Tire fit perfectly. Good quality. Smooth ride. Sufficient traction for my biking needs, riding to and from work. Thick rubber is strong enough for the potholes that rule the streets of Montreal where I live presently. Went on easy and looks good, and was round. Number 4. Hycline 26 by 2.125 Cruiser Tire. Upgrade your bike with our new tire, designed for comfort and durability. It's perfect for cruising around town or tackling light trails. This tire boasts a protective layer under the tread, increasing puncture resistance by 30%. Enjoy worry-free rides. The classic knobby tread provides excellent traction, making it ideal for various terrains. Experience a smooth and controlled ride. Its smooth rolling tread is perfect for easy around-town rides. You'll enjoy a comfortable and efficient ride. The durable carbon steel bead makes it easy to install, remove, and fold for storage. It's designed for convenience. These ultra-durable tires are built for adventure and will stand the test of time, ride after ride. Enjoy lasting performance. Available in 26 by 2.125 inches, white, with a PSI range of 40 to 65. ETRTO size is 57 to 559. What we like. This tire boasts 30% more puncture resistance, rolls smoothly for effortless rides, and is built to last. If you're looking for a durable and reliable tire that can withstand daily wear and tear, and prioritize a smooth ride, this is the one for you. What people say. They don't look like they're made for speed, but they feel thick and heavy-duty. Perfect for trolling around town. This tire is substantial and fits perfectly. Tire unrolled easily in the sun. Easy install. Performs well so far. Number 3. Simeiqi Beach Cruiser Tire. Get ready to experience smooth and comfortable rides with our new tire. It's designed to enhance your cycling experience, providing stability and durability. This tire is specifically designed for 26 by 2.125 inch beach cruisers. It's compatible with various tire sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your bike. Made from premium rubber, it offers superior toughness and wear resistance. Enjoy a comfortable and stable ride, no matter the terrain. Installing it is quick and easy. Its folding design makes storage and transportation a breeze. The unique tread pattern is optimized for beach cruisers and commuter bikes. It provides excellent grip and stability, enhancing your overall riding experience. It's built to last, making it a reliable choice for your daily commutes and leisurely rides. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a durable, high-quality tire. What we like. It's incredibly easy to install, made with high-quality rubber for better comfort and stability, and has a unique tread pattern. If you value a hassle-free installation process and a comfortable ride, this tire is perfect for your beach cruiser or commuter bike. What people say. Era justo lo que buscaba para mi bicicleta, muy buenas. This fit on my 15-year-old cruiser bike like the original equipment. Easy to install, I have had no problem with the 3 I bought. Number 2. Hycline Cruiser Bike Tires. Get ready to experience smoother, more comfortable rides with these new tires. They're designed for both beach cruisers and city commutes. This set includes 2 tires, 2 inner tubes, and 2 tire levers, everything you need for easy installation. These tires are size 26 by 2.125 inches and fit most 26-inch wheels with tire widths from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. They're compatible with Schrader valves. Enjoy worry-free rides. They have a protective layer under the tread for 30% more strength and puncture resistance. The flexible, carbon steel bead makes them easy to install, remove, and fold for storage. The included tire levers make changing tires a breeze. These tires feature a classic knobby tread for great traction and a smooth rolling experience, perfect for laid-back cruising. What we like. This is a complete kit including 2 tires, tubes, and tire levers for easy replacement. It offers puncture resistance and a smooth ride. If you want convenience and value, and need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice for those who want a hassle-free experience. What people say. Fit excellent and easy to install. Looks great and durable for daily rides, has great traction. Tires look good and provide a smooth ride. They were very easy to install, and as tubes were provided with the tires, I was back on the road with 2 new tires in a jiff. Despite this being my first time replacing tires on a bike, they were pretty damn easy to install after a quick video tutorial. They were very smooth to ride on, surpassing even the bike stock tires in how well they performed. Number 1. Beach Cruiser 26 by 2.125 Tire Kit. Upgrade your ride with this complete kit. It includes everything you need for a smooth and stylish cruising experience. It's built to last with durable wire bead construction. Enjoy comfort and stability on any road. This kit is designed specifically for 26 by 2.125 inch tires. It's the perfect replacement for your worn-out tires. The kit includes 2 tires, tubes, rim strips, and tire levers. You'll be ready for any on-the-go repairs. These white-wall tires give your bike a classic look. Enjoy a comfortable and stylish ride every time. The kit comes with easy-to-use tire levers, making installation a breeze. Get back on the road quickly and easily. This kit comes standard with Schrader valves. Presta valves are available upon request. What we like. Get everything you need in one bundle: tires, tubes, rim strips, and tire levers. It's built to last and gives your bike a stylish upgrade. If you want a durable, stylish, and convenient solution for your beach cruiser, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Good quality tires. I ordered these white walls for my Pacifico bike. I just added 144s too. I got this specifically for the bundle because it includes the strips for the wheels. Looks and rides great, also put on new seat and handlebar grips. This tire package may sound a little bit expensive. However, it is worth every penny, and we penny pinch, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.